quick recap here. You have this side ready for prime, and now I'm going to go ahead and take this door panel off. That's what I'm going to be doing. I told you guys Phillips head out. I'll show you where everything is at real quick. And that we're going to need and break it because they do come apart. Snap them. Ah, there it went. Okay, come on. Now, you're going to need a pick. All right. So you're going to reach down in here in the front. And once we get that loose, I'll take it down and get it started. Reach your pick lodge it in the back, but it will just pop right out. All right, now that's free. And we're going to go get our little trim tool and we'll work our way around this, which I've got sitting right here. Back a little bit. I'll start it here on this side. Started. Just gentle pressure.